Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is: on Amazon you will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. Powerful cooling. Cool spaces up to 400 square feet with an ASHRAE rated 10,000 BTUs of cool air. 6000 BTU 2017 DO standard. Perfect for your home office, bedroom, or living room. 1 product, 3 uses. This is not only a portable AC, but also a fan and dehumidifier capable of removing 2.5 pints, 1.2 L per hour, of water per hour. Drier air feels much cooler than humid air and allows your AC to work more efficiently. Sleep well. Sleep through the night with lower noise mode. You can also use the sleep function to adjust your optimal sleeping temperature while you are busy counting sheep, or activate the night mode to shut off all lights on the control panel. Easy install. Both horizontal and vertical sliding windows can be used to install this machine, while the detailed instructions in our user manual can have you set up in 15 minutes or less. New X-Fan technology. When activated, the X-Fan will keep the fan spinning at a slow, silent speed to dry residual water in the machine and the air exhaust hose. Safer cooling. With UL certified, the stricter and more comprehensive certification requirements and testing, TOSOT, always ensure the highest safety standards for use in your home. See more product details. The number 3 on the list is: choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Energy Star certified this air conditioner has met the high standards of the Energy Star program, using energy-efficient technologies that translate into electricity savings. Multiple fan speeds, 3 cooling and fan speeds with auto-cool allow you to customize your cooling. Maximum usability, easy-to-use electronic controls with remote auto restart after a power failure. Auto restart will automatically turn the unit back on when power is restored. Cools rooms up to 800 square ft. LW1516ER is ideal for cooling medium rooms. 20 feet by 40. See more product details. The number 2 on the list is: many positives. Reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. Energy-efficient air conditioning unit cools rooms up to 150 square feet with standard 9-foot ceilings. Ideal for small spaces such as dorm rooms and RVs. Features include 7 temperature settings, dual cooling and fan settings, as well as adjustable air direction. Keeps air clean and fresh with inbuilt filter, which can be easily removed, washed, and reused. Includes a window mounting kit with adjustable side panels that expand to fit standard windows. Fits standard windows with a minimum window height, width of 13 by 23 inches and max height, width of 13 by 36 inches. The number 1 on the list is: this product comes with premium quality and affordable price. Low noise performance. Operates at sound levels as low as 52 decibels. In low mode. Eliminating unnecessary noise. Multiple fan speeds. 3 cooling and fan speeds allow you to customize your cooling. Maximum usability. Easy to use electronic controls with remote. Auto restart. After a power failure, auto restart will automatically turn the unit back on when power is restored. Cools rooms up to 250 square. FTLW6017R is ideal for cooling medium rooms. 10 feet by 25